Not strong as a wolf because that shit is not real. Oh no! Yeah, Muhammad, say hi. Say hi to YouTube if you want to. And you're wondering, well, if you read the title of the stream, what's going on? What are we learning? I feel like yesterday I saw something about on TikTok that they brought back an extinct animal, and I want to check it out. So let's see how about it. Let me see my reaction to it. I love learning shit like that. Let's get right into it. You saw that too. That's what I'm saying. Shit, I don't mind. Do it. I want to see one in IRL. Bring back everything. Matter of fact, shit, I don't mind. Do it.
Everyone likes to talk about the climate crisis.
Yeah, and bring us some aliens and demons too. Fuck it, man. That's basically Gen Z. We Gen Z. We've been going through everything. We've experienced every freaking thing known to man. I swear. But it's regular to us. Alright. We'll get into the video.
But we are actually in a biodiversity crisis, and that's absolutely critical to our way of life. So if all of these species go extinct, then we'll have full ecosystem collapse.
Oh my.
Some scientists have estimated that by
Okay, so let's say if the ecosystem does collapse, I can fix it. I can do it with my bare hands. We don't need this special gadgets. Just give it to me. I swear I can fix it. I swear I can fix it.
2050, half of all species that are alive today will be extinct. The truth is that extinction happens.
Yes, how? Mohammed, you don't know what I can do with my bare hands. Alright? Don't ask questions like that. Dismantling it?
Extinctions have happened throughout evolutionary history. But right now, the rate of extinction is estimated to be 1,000 to 10,000 times faster than the base rate in the fall.
You know what it is? You know why it went from 1,000 to 10,000? Look at you, Muhammad, right now. That's because of you. It raised up to 10,000 because of you. I'm also gonna blame it on the stock prices going down. That gotta be the reason why everything going extinct. Think about it. If it goes down, that means the world gotta go down. Because I swear everything's revolving around it. Think about it.
Fossil record, and a lot of that is our fault. We need a solution.
The world's first de-extinction. Nah, low key though, when I saw we're gonna win, so we're gonna get tired of winning. Type shit. No, not gonna lie though. That is such a hard shit to be in. Like, even yesterday I realized, like, bro, we're like in the future. Cause I saw a clip of Speed's stream, and he was just watching these fucking robots dance. And now we talking about bringing back extinct animals from bones. I know it's a spoiler, but no, they do it from bones. And I'm like, damn, this is the shit they talk about in the movies. That's so wild.
Colossal is the world's first de-extinction company, and we combine de-extinction with species preservation, and our goal is to make extinction a thing of the past.
Colossal Biosciences
develops cutting-edge technology to protect biodiversity and reverse human caused extinction.
People think it's a scary word, de-extinction. They immediately put us with Jurassic Park, and it's not. We're trying to develop these new techniques in order to save animals, in order to bring back animals that, in some cases, were our fault that we don't have them any longer. It wasn't a climate problem, it was a human problem.
I think we all share the deep...
Low-key, bros, for you page the same as me? You talking about mine? Oh, you talking about my For You page. We locked in, gang. You and me are special. We're like this, okay?
Concern about what's happening to biodiversity, what's happening to the planet, what's happening to people whose lives have been intertwined with wild nature since before time began. And so coming together is so exciting because I think that's how we can really drive change.
We're finding solutions to restore a species back to the wild. The purpose of that is to serve an ecological function. As we lose species within an ecosystem.
I ain't gonna lie, I get scared when I see them people sitting on a chair with a creepy corporate background. You know what? I get it. I really do. I do get that. That does seem terrifying. Especially when they're talking about bringing back to life. Like, hell no. That could be creepy as shit. But, I think it's fine. Nah, in the middle. You seen Severance? Where's Muhammad? He's in here. Yo, Muhammad, say something. Yo, he yapping in here. Who yapping in here? You better not be talking about me. Muhammad. Things will go down. Hold on, this is not even HD. My bad, gang. Wait, it is. 180? 214K. The highest fucking I can go. Let's keep watching.
If you think of a Jenga puzzle, you're sort of pulling blocks out of there. Those blocks that are creating the instability in the ecosystem is literally the function that animal plays. If we can find ways to restore animals that provide that specific function, we can create more.
Who's this guy streaming? It's the next. You know, I was about to compare myself to Kai Cenat, but I don't want to compare myself to Kai Cenat. I'm gonna compare myself to Gucci Third Leg. He's who I want to be. I'm Gucci Third Leg, but I'm not Gucci. I'm Versace. Oh yeah, Ty, just letting you know what we were watching. They saying that because of humans, we cause extinction go from 1,000 to 10,000. I think that's stupid, and I blame it all on Muhammad because it's his fault. Are you not Ty Akram Rojos? But don't even know his own name. Alright.
Stability within an ecosystem.
This
We've
shit
announced
beautiful.
3 species, the woolly mammoth, the thylacine, and the dodo. But one of the things that's absolutely...
Hold on. The dodo bird? Y'all seen that scene from Ice Age? You know what I'm talking about? Hey. Take that back from the dodo bird. I bet. Hold on. Exactly, man. You don't know what the dodo bird has done to you. Hold on. Why are they so good at this kicking ball? Sabretooth, thank you. That's the one. I couldn't think of it. But hold on. Why are these dodo birds good at kicking watermelons? You know who else likes watermelon? Y'all know who else likes watermelon? I'm looking at you, Ty. Huh? No, wait, Muhammad, what? Never mind, it's Muhammad. He likes watermelons. Nah, me too. I fuck with watermelons. Bro, what? What? You know what that means, Chad? No more females? You know who we go after? He just like me. That dodo just like me. You know what I mean? When I see it move, I just rah. You know what I mean? I just gotta go rah. I gotta go for it. I gotta take a bite. You know what I mean? Who's here? Who's here? A man like me. Who else goes after the buttocks? The gluteus maximus. Gluteus maximus type of dude. Who in here? Gluteus maximus dude.
The ecosystems is predators, as we've seen with what's happened in Yellowstone with the reintroduction of wolves back into the park. They've shown that they've even reshaped the river systems. They brought back beavers, they brought back songbirds.
What do you mean they bring him back? I thought wolves eat these fucking beavers and birds. And you tell me they bringing it back? This shit don't make sense. That's not mathing. Doesn't wolves not eat birds and beavers? So it should be bringing it down. Why would it bring it up? That shit don't make sense.
And so we felt that it was very important for us to bring back the dire wolf.
Dire wolf.
Dire wolf. The dire wolf is the first species that we're bringing back at Colossal.
The dire wolf, which most people think is just a mythical creature.
Oh nah, low key, this dire wolf look cool as shit. You know what this dire wolf remind me of? Mohammed, you seen what's it called? Game of Thrones? The ecosystem is me, gang. Fuck out of here. We all know fucking wolves eat birds and beavers. It shouldn't bring it up. It should bring it down. I know the ecosystem. He's like my brother. But doesn't this dire wolf look from Game of Thrones? I think it's the same shit. This should look mythical as fuck. Look at the yellow eyes with the white fur. You know what? You know what I think about? You can low key do a money glitch. You extract the dire wolf genes, right? No, who told you, gang? No, but hear me out. Money glitch. We create the dire wolves, right? And then we kill them for their fur, and then just get their bones and recreate them again. Infinite money glitch. Think about it. Who doesn't want white fur from a dire wolf? That's money. That's big banks. You can even sell the teeth, some of the bones. Like, low-key, how much bones do you need to recreate another dire wolf? I don't think that much. I'll just get like his fucking leg and then just recreate him again. Infinite money glitch. Y'all don't understand.
Creature was actually a keystone species that was not only endemic to the United States, mostly Americas, but it was actually culturally important to some of the biggest indigenous early tribes in America. So we thought if we could use it as an opportunity where we can also develop technologies that can help wolves, we thought it was the right first project given how important wolves are to ecosystems.
Tell them sitting on the
One of the challenges
chairs.
when we started working on the direwolf was that we knew of only 2 direwolf specimens in the world that contained some usable DNA. One of our direwolf samples was...
Don't worry, I know somebody. I'm gonna get in touch with them. They're gonna tell me if we can do this money glitch. This money glitch is gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy, I'm telling you. Hold on. Let's keep going.
A single tooth, and then another was a 72,000-year-old skull. So we're able to use these specimens and isolate this ancient DNA.
Low-key, I wouldn't mind having this job. This job deadass seems like something I would love to do. Like, I'll wake up and be like, hell yeah, I'm bringing back extinct animals. That shit's on fire. Like, low-key, they're the causes of like COVID-19 or some shit like that. I mean, of that disease that happened a few years ago. I don't want to get banned. I don't know if saying that word gets me banned or not. Oma. Someone just followed me. What the fuck? Puerto Rican papi. Yo, what's good, Puerto Rican papi? Who is that? I think that's Antonio. I don't know. All right, let's keep watching.
Out of them.
For the direwolf, there was a massive study that did many samples across multiple institutions, and Colossal took 2 of those samples and was able to generate whole genome sequences from each. And so this is incredible for...
Now, hold on, man. Why he's so locked into this? They really told him, hold on, gang. Stick on the other side of this machine and keep looking at it. We're gonna record you, alright? You can give a little smile if you want to. Just look like you're doing something. I promise you he ain't doing shit. That machine over there is automatic. Who's Puerto Rican Papi? Is that you, Antonio? Who is this? Do I know you? Who is you? I don't know you, bruv. But you know what I mean? Just look at just look at him, gang. You know he not doing shit. This machine is automatic, not doing nothing.
Is from each.
And he's probably making bank. You know what I mean? Probably get paid $200K a year just by looking at a machine. Like, give me this job. I'll probably be better than him. Shit, I look like a caveman. They can use my genes to bring back all the cave people.
And so this is incredible for any species, let alone species that have been extinct. So what you can do is you can map that to its closest living relative.
What's
so
up?
Colossal are using the gray wolf,
I'm also
and
on
we've been able to
TikTok. I should
generate
have said
such a
that.
high quality genome
What's
that
up?
we
Come
can
to my
map back
Twitch.
to
Say
create
sub. We're
our own
learning about the
direwolf reference
direwolf.
genome.
When we edit different lines of
I live
genetically
stream around
diverse
this time
gray
every day.
wolves, we'll create
I do.
a set of genetically diverse direwolves with similar edits, but the basis of their diversity already existed within the gray wolf.
Gray wolves are on the endangered species list, and that
Come
means
and
you
say hi.
can't just go in and collect the samples that we want.
Typically, people have to take a ear punch or a skin biopsy, and sometimes it's a very invasive process.
Hey, what was that? What are they pinching that dog for? I look nasty as hell. What do you think they're doing to him? You know, accessing DNA problem. That's a stupid ass question. You're right.
We've developed a technology where you can take a simple blood draw, isolate these specific cells in the blood, and then clone from it.
We're changing the genome of this living animal partially into...
So you tell me I just gotta get strawberry juice, pour it into a tube, and I get a direwolf? That shit sounds like light work. I can do all that. Fucking easy as shit.
To the genome of the extinct animal for those genes that matter, for the traits and characteristics that we...
You know what? This dude right here. I think he's artificially made. Just look at him. Like, look at his left side and then his right side. I don't know, something about him doesn't look real. He might be a lizard people. Wait. The lizard people are bringing back extinct animals. Think about it. Because how come is it just now that humans are bringing back extinct animals? Because it doesn't make sense. What's actually bringing back these animals are lizard people. It all makes sense. And just look at him. He's a lizard. Mohammed, what are they doing? Is that really what you asked me? Think about it. They're gonna recreate these extinct animals that are already like high on attributes. Think about it. A dire wolf is like bigger than a regular wolf. They're gonna implant a chip into the dire wolf and then control them to attack humans, so they can come back to the outer of the world and take over. Think about it. Like, what are people gonna do against a mammoth, dire wolves, dinosaurs, saber tooth, Godzilla? Because we all know Godzilla real. Think about it. Just think about it. They doing this for a selfish reason. They just want the blood to themselves. Mohammed or chat, would y'all eat a wolf? Like, let's say someone made a good, like, made a meal made out of dire wolf, and that shit looks good, and it also tastes good, but you don't know that yet. Would you still eat it? Would you still eat it? What does it depend? Because I told you it looks good, and I said it tastes good, but you don't know that. You're just looking at it by looks. I'll eat it. Not gonna lie. Think about it. You basically eating 40,000 years ago meat. Yeah, it might give you some viruses you never heard of, but I think that's worth it. If it's meat, I'ma eat it. Hell yes, that's what I'm talking about. We protein heads. All we do is fucking eat protein. How many protein grams have you gotten today? Huh? I'm already at 100. Y'all better be eating your fucking protein. I like that. Shout out to you, Puerto Rican Papi 2301. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Get your fucking proteins. I don't know. It's a dire wolf's meat. It is dire wolf meat, because I'm saying it's coming from a dire wolf, gang. Let's go back to the video. We're getting off topic.
We want to see in that animal.
Discovering which parts of the genome make an animal look and act like that animal is one of the hardest problems in biology. It is unsolved and something that we have to solve if we want to know which parts of the genome we want to edit to make a gray wolf more like a dire wolf.
To analyze,
they basically saying that, oh yeah, you want to be athletic as fuck? Don't worry, we can change that in your genes. They're gonna pick, like, they're gonna see your fucking shitty ass fat gene, change it to an athletic gene. Yeah, granny. Oh, you agree with the granny? But think about it. If they really get good at this, just changing the genes from a regular wolf to a dire wolf, imagine what they're gonna do to humans. We're gonna see humans be all athletic, artificially made humans, and then that's when they're all gonna fight me, cause I am the best. I gotta let y'all know. I am the perfection of human. I'm the next evolution of human, matter of fact. This is what I am. I need to make sure you guys know this. Type shit.
As our genomes to compare dire wolves with gray wolf genomes, we use our tools on a platform built by FormBio. It's a bioinformatics company that spun out of Colossal. They built this whole suite of analysis tools and algorithms that allow us to find the differences between the dire wolf genome and the gray wolf genome and filter out these differences that we actually want to edit. And so we aligned our dire wolf reads to the gray wolf genome. That allowed us to know exactly where the gray wolf differed from the dire wolf. One of the most exciting differences that we found in the dire wolf genome is that there is a change in the
Let's see if we can tell the difference. Let's see if we can genify these on our own. Let's see the differences, alright? Yo, Chad, I can't figure this shit out. You know what? I low-key can. This right here is longer. This is longer than this one. It's more chunkier too. So you telling me they pluck this one by one? Is that how they do it, gang? I don't know. I figured this shit out. This shit like work. Oh, it's about color. That'd be lame as fuck. But you might be right.
L-Coral gene. L-Coral is a key regulator of animal size.
Next, we have to use gene editing technologies. We have cells growing in a dish in a lab that belong to a gray wolf. And so these have gray wolf genomes. Now we've decided
they look like gray wolf genes.
genome we want to change. So one at a time, we take our gene editing tools and we go into that cell and we cut out the bit of DNA that looks like a gray wolf and paste in its place the DNA that looks like a dire wolf.
Each time you edit a gene in a cell, you put a lot of stress on that cell because you have to get your gene editing tools in these cells and then these changes are made. So what we do instead is we try to make dozens or hundreds of changes at once. It's called multiplex gene editing.
So now we have cells growing in a dish in a lab that have DNA that makes them a little bit more dire wolf-like than gray wolf-like. We have to transform these living cells into actual.
Someone tells you, I'll give you $500 if you like the whole thing. Would you do it? I'll do it. I'll do it, not gonna lie. Low key, I'll do it. Just look at that. It kind of look appetizing. Just me? Alright. Alright.
Gray wolf-like. We have to transform these living cells into actual pups. And for that, we use a process called cloning, or somatic cell nuclear transfer. This is the same process that most famously brought us Dolly the sheep.
You take an egg, an oocyte, from a wolf or a dog, you take out its own DNA and you stick that direwolf cell in it.
Oh no, they forcing it.
That cell,
they forcing it. Without no consent? Now I have a problem. Cause there better be some type of consent. The fuck is this? These people, am I right? It's all about science. What about my human rights, even though that's a wolf? Yeah. Yeah. Got him. So fucking good.
Becomes an embryo that's a dire wolf. It's no longer a domestic dog, which sounds totally science fiction. And with the help of a vet team, we then are able to surgically put this embryo back inside to the surrogate dog.
We have to find an appropriate dog that can carry our dire wolf.
Everyone is thinking very critically about each step so that when that pup is finally born, we know there aren't any issues.
The safety of all of our surrogates for any of our species is the highest priority. We have an overemphasis on our animal husbandry team to secure their safety, as well as...
I'm not gonna lie. For when I get more bigger, I think for one of my IRL streams, I want to go to a facility like this and just check it out. Hey, that's she low-key fine, I'm not gonna lie. But hell yeah, man. She looks smart. Just look at her eyes. She got like... Her eyes look like they smart. But low-key, bro, all these motherfuckers probably like around our age. But no, hear me out though. An IRL stream going to one of these facilities. I think that shit sounds cool as fuck. You know what? Low-key, I was thinking about this shit in my mind. I was like, yo, this blonde lady probably probably 5 years older than me. And that's it. Wild.
Are pursuing on the science side our own exogenous development team so that one day we won't have to use surrogates.
The most exciting part is when the vet team comes in, they do their ultrasound and they say, yeah, congrats.
She's kind of cute.
You're going to be a puppy mom, or, you know, you're going to have a cub on the ground in a couple weeks. After the pups are delivered, there's a care team in place. They're there to make sure that our direwolf pups are happy and healthy, and that mom has gone through delivery without any problems.
Oh no.
And then we have another team that will ensure that our pups have the right dynamics. They have the right social structures.
I thought they were white.
We're working actively right now with partners today to make sure that there are solutions and places for these animals to go in the future. And it's really important to say that all of this is done in this massive network. And it's really important to say that all of this...
Old people that look like this are like the worst. I don't know if y'all agree with me or not, but I don't trust these people that look like this. He look like he got a virus on him. I don't know. I don't trust him. He's like we're about to play Resident Evil today, right? He's the one that created it. Just look at him.
This is done in this massive network.
It's critical to work with private landowners, local governments, indigenous people groups, and the public at large to do that in a way that's safe and publicly accepted, but also it's good for the ecosystem and the animals themselves.
What we're doing is having all of this collaboration in place well before we have these animals, and this is absolutely critical to making this work successful.
We're a part of the evolutionary stream of the planet. We're
He's a good guy.
To every other species out there. And so because we have the ability...
He looks like he owns a private island. The old dude before. You know what type of island he owns? Jeffrey. You know what I mean? He that Jeffrey type of freaky, you know what I mean?
To shape the world.
Oh, fuck.
I think we have a responsibility to correct our mistakes from from the past.
What we
you know what type of guess
is, I think, what the hope for the future.
Let's say they're not our age, a little bit younger. The small ones, exactly.
Creating a tool that will be the solution for our biodiversity crisis is the most motivating thought that I could ever have.
What we're doing at Colossal has never been
just
done
like in the movies.
before.
I hope everyone around the world is leveraging the technologies that we develop here, and I hope that biodiversity loss and extinction is just a thing of the past.
I don't have a mod. You know what, Mohammed? I'm looking at you to becoming one of my mods. Low key. Let's keep watching.
The idea of being able to have direwolves.
You know what I realized? There's a lot of girls. There's like more girl scientists than men scientists. You know why that is? Because all the other men decided to play video games on their desk and watch streams. And then be in streams. What the fuck is wrong with us, man? We need to be out here creating shit. I say that we create Godzilla. Forget a dire wolf. Forget all that. We create Godzilla. All we gotta do is get a lizard and a nuclear energy, and boom, Godzilla. Chad, I think we can do this. I said make streams, okay? That's what I'm saying. And then for the glowing like shit they got on his back, we'll just fucking throw fucking diamonds at him or some shit. Some glowy shiny rock. And with the nuclear energy lizard, they should all combine together. Like, think about it like in a Minecraft. You get a crafting table, you put them all together, and they should pop out as like a new thing. That's basically what we're gonna do. Alright? Let's see this shit happen, alright? Buddy, what do you mean? Minecraft movie just came out, so life is all about Minecraft. I say, I like your idea, bringing back the dinosaurs. But how about we genetically change them and make them completely strong, give them lasers and shit. Let's make this world harder. I like games in hard difficulty, man. So let's just give them OP shit and then fight them. I like the idea. Let's keep watching.
Again, is tremendously personally exciting, and I think it's going to be exciting to a lot of people.
The first time I see a direwolf, oh my god.
Direwolf's a big fluffy dog that I probably wouldn't pet.
I think it's going to be
I'll pet it. I'm not
amazing
pussy.
in a lot of ways.
Get some DNA from a fossil and put it in a chicken. He is cooking. Y'all think a T-Rex came from a chicken? Y'all heard about that? You think a T-Rex turned into a chicken? I don't think so. You know what I mean? I feel T-Rexes turn into humans. Cause sometimes I'll be looking at myself, I'll be like, you know, roar type shit. I feel more like a T-Rex than I do a monkey. You know what I mean? Buddy, no. I don't know you, bruv. Who's here with me about that, you know? Because I don't even think humans come from monkeys. We're actually T-Rex. No, I don't have a mod yet. Stop.
I'm really excited to see the birth of this direwolf pup and all the hard work that all of the teams have contributed to.
Oh.
There's so many people that have had their hand in this that it's just fulfilling for us to see, okay, we did it.
We haven't seen the wolf at all.
We produced something
this
that
bullshit.
Is magnificent and science fiction at its finest.
You know, they're not showing us a wolf because that shit is not real. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh. Oh nah. These bitches cute. We can make one of these. This should like work. Whoa, 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 whoa. No fighting in chat. No fighting in chat. We all friends. Ooh. Oh, let's hear him. Let's hear the dog. Let's hear the dog roar. Oh fuck! No, I felt it. That roar. That wolf's roar activated me. Not in that way. I feel like there's a werewolf inside of me now. I feel like a monster. Hey. But watching audio only? Fucking loser. How about you get a better connection, buddy? Romulus and Remus are the first two direwolves to howl in over 10,000 years. That shit fire. Imagine coming back to life, man. When I die, make sure you extract the bone marrow and bring me back to life. Y'all think that work? You get my DNA and then just rebirth me again. Would I be the same person? Would it be someone else? I think I'm cooking. Oh, I like that. Make me part lion, which I'm already am. I am related to a lion. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Muhammad. Only you would say something like that. Oh my. They cute as shit. Their birth represents a groundbreaking step in our mission to make our extinction a thing of the past. Chat, we broke the fucking system. Nothing can die anymore. Bro, they showing off, bro. They got aura. Yeah, how much you think I can get one for? Oh fuck. Watch. In a few years. Hold on. First of all, we go on stocks. And we put all our money into Colossal. Because further of all, they're gonna get big as fuck. And then they're gonna burn the whole fucking world. Because I promise they're gonna once they bring dinosaurs, Jurassic Park all over again. And once it gets to Jurassic World, we are cooked. We're done for. I'm low-key cooking because this shit is so recent. People are just not going into the stocks and maybe putting money to them. And watch this shit blow up in a few years. That's what I'm saying. That's like Umbrella from Resident Evil, or like, what's the one for Terminator? I like that though. This world's kind of boring. I need something more excitement. Like bring robots, more robots, evil dinosaurs, aliens. Make sure I can have like a robotic arm too. I want something cool like that. Type shit. Hell yeah. Shout out to Dire Wolves. Shout out to Colossal Biosciences. Shout out to you guys.